Hi, welcome to my video, Extra Problems number 2. In this video I'm going to do two problems. Find the point where the slope of the tangent to f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 1, where the slope of the tangent is negative 10. So the slope of the tangent is negative 10. So the slope of the tangent is f prime, and f prime is negative 10. So that's the derivative is the slope of the tangent. So let's write down the function f of x, and which is f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 1, and we'll find the derivative of the f of x. Derivative of x squared is 2, and the 2 decreased by 1 gives you 1, and the derivative of a linear is negative 6. The derivative of a constant is 0. So if the f prime is negative 10 and the f prime is 2x minus 6, that means 2x minus 6 is equal to negative 10. That means that 2x is equal to negative 10 plus 6. 2x is negative 4 divided by 2, x is negative 2. So the derivative, if this is the derivative and you put a negative 2 here, which I found, negative 2 going in here gives me negative 4 minus 6 gives me negative 10. So at x equals negative 2, so let's take the f of x equals the parabola, and we'll sub in negative 2, and that'll give me the point on the parabola. So when x is negative 2, sub negative 2 in, and that gives us 4 plus 12 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. So the point where the slope of the tangent is negative 10 is the point x is negative 2, y is 17. Again, doing sort of different problems, not the same problems all the time, but on the same topic. Number 2, I may have seen another one that I came up with. Find the intersection of the tangent A at x equals 1 and tangent B at x equals negative 2 if y equals x squared. So y equals x squared is a parabola. So y equals x squared is a parabola. So the tangent is, the slope of the tangent is the derivative. So let's do dx on the y and do dx on x squared. So this gives us dy dx, and the derivative of x squared, derivative in terms of x squared is 2x. So we have, now if the tangent is at negative 1, so that means let's write down x is 1. So the derivative is the slope of the tangent, so dy dx at 1, the slope dy dx is equal to 2. So also we have dy dx is, but let's look at also where x is negative 2. So dy dx, and x is negative 2, so that means dy dx is negative 4. But what we have here is that this is the point where the derivative at x equals 1, slope of the tangent at x equals 1, the slope is 2. So that's the equation y equals mx plus b. So y equals 2x plus b. So you take the equation, slope y-intercept form, fill in the slope is 2. Now we have to get the point. So if we have x is equal to 2, and we have a parabola y equals x squared, so x equals 1, y equals x squared, we put 1 in the place of x, we get the 1. So that's the point, 1, 1. So if you take this point and sub it into y equals 2x plus b, and that's x and that's y. Y is 1, x is 1. We have 1 equals 2 plus b, so b equals 1 minus 2, so b is negative 1. So the equation at 1, where the tangent hits at x equals 1, is y equals mx plus b. So that's y, and the slope, we found the slope to be 2 here, and we found the y-intercept to be negative 1. So let's also look at where x is 2. We have the parabola. So when x is 2 on the parabola, that means we have a 4. So this point is 2 comma 4 on the parabola. And so the slope at x equals, did I say x equals 2? At x is negative 2, sorry. I forgot. But a negative 2 squared is still a 4, so that's negative 2 comma 4. So the equation is y equals mx plus b, and the slope is negative 4, and the y is 4. The x is negative 2, so 4 equals 8 plus b, so b equals 4 minus 8, so b is negative 4. So the equation y equals mx plus b at x equals negative 2. The equation is, the slope is negative 2. Oh, the slope of the tangent, I almost made a mistake there. The slope of the tangent is negative 4. So that's negative 4 minus 4. So this is the equation. The slope is 2 right here at the point 1, 1. This is the equation. And the slope at x is negative 2. The slope is negative 4 here. Filling in this point, we have this equation. So we have two equations. So one equation, just write them down again just to make sure. So this is the two equations. And we want the intersection. The intersection is the point where the two tangents are going to intersect. So we let negative 4x minus 4 equal 2y minus 1. And we solve this for x, so negative 4x minus 2x equals negative 1 plus 4. Negative 6x equals 3. Divide by negative 6, and x becomes negative 1/2. Now if x is negative 1/2, we can take the 1/2 and sub into this equation or into this one. It makes no difference. So y equals 2x minus 1. So y equals 2 times negative 1/2 minus 1. So y equals, so that 2's cancel, negative 1 minus 1. So y is negative 2. And so the point of intersection, and I'll write it right here. So the point of intersection is x is a negative 1/2 and y is negative 2. So again, what we're doing, this time I made up a different question with two tangents intersecting and just a little bit of extra math. Again, to find the slope of the tangent, we do the derivative of the main function, and the derivative is the slope of the tangent. And we put that value where it's hitting at negative 2 and 1 into the derivative to get the slope. And then we work out the points. So it's a very similar question, but again, this question is a little bit different and more math. And that's the goal of my videos, is to create extra thinking. And again, if you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.